Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Prakash Chaturvedi and I am faculty of UCR Greater Noida. Today I am going to represent a machine learning topic. I am also course coordinator of this thing. So first I tell you um, about the some skill development program that is organized by the United College. Various skill development courses for the student via online that is available for you. The most famous courses are the machine learning, big data and blockchain. Most of the students registered in this course. So why I am talking about machine learning? Because data is growing day by day, and just increasing of the data and processing of data consume lot of time. That's why machine learning comes in market, and for solving the complex problem and uncovered pattern, and for improving decision making, we use the machine learning. Just I give you a brief discussion about the machine learning here. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focus on the development of the computer program that can be access the data and use it learn from themselves. So here you can see that a traditional system use only the input and the program, and we just process the input as per our program and we get the result. But if we want to desired result, or we want to predict the result, then we use the machine learning concept. Here the artificial intelligence which provide the machines the ability to learn automatically. The machine learning definitions I already discussed with you, but this is a clear visualization. First we process the data, and we train the machine according to our data. Then we build a model, and then we predict the outcome. So that is very important thing, that is very useful in the stock market, healthcare, and generally most of the websites like Facebook and Google, they generally use this concept. So machine learning is have some process, like first we define the objective, what we want to predict, what we want to achieve, what is our goal, that is defined by the machine learning objectives. And first then we gather the data according to our requirement, and then we prepare the data, and after preparing the data we explore the data, then we build a model. Okay, so building a model is based on the various algorithms, and model evolutions is like when we want to classify, classify the data ki this particular data belongs to some class or something else, or we want to predict the future. So according to our objective, the model can be generated. So here I am taking an example. This is a basic flow chart of the machine learning. Here we take a car as an input, then we extract the features of the car, and then we use a neural network or something else like SPM classifier. These are the basic things that is used in the machine learning. Then we classify that is a car or not a car. So that takes some steps. that takes some steps. Like first we have to know about the input. Okay, what is our input? Then we extract the features. Like this is a red car. This contains the 4 wheels, and that contains some mirror, and so these features extracted by some algorithms, and then we train our network, and on behalf of features, and we classify our input. Okay, that particular given input is belong to car or not car. So we have some types of machine learning. Like we have a supervised, unsupervised reinforcement learning. So today I am going to discuss with you supervised learning and a sub part, that is regression method. As we know that regression method is generally used for the I tell you later about the regression method. So there are various ML algorithms, machine learning algorithms, like ensemble, neural network, regularizations, regression, clustering algorithms, instance based, dimension reduction, decision tree, and Bayesian. So via these algorithms we process our data, we extract the features, we train our network, and then we predict the outcome. So I tell you about the supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning algorithms can apply what has been learned in the past to new data using labeled example to predict the future event. Starting from the analysis of knowing training data set, the learning algorithm produce an inferred function to make prediction about the output values. The system is able to provide target for any new input after sufficient training. That learning algorithms can also compare its output with the correct intended output and find the error in order to modify the model accordingly. So this is why I am telling you this, because supervised today I am going to discuss a practical example of supervised learning. Like here, supervised learning and its subcategory, that is regression. So what is regression? Regression is a form of predicting modeling technique which investigate the relationship between the dependent and independent variable. So we have two types of regression: linear regression and logistic regression. If you want to predict the data, then we use the regression method, and we derive the relation between the two types of variable, like independent and dependent variables. So today I am going to implement the linear regression. A linear regression is the one most easiest statistical model. Statistical model that define the various measurements of the data, like mean, variance, standard deviations, etc. And understanding its algorithm is a crucial part of the data science. Okay, it is used to show the relationship between the dependent variable and one more independent variable. So here you see the diagram. If we increase the height, then automatically weight is increases. If we increase the weight, then automatically height is increases. So basically here show the relationship between the two variable, weight and height, and this is positive relation. Generally we set the correlation, and we plot a line between the data that define the best fitted model. So we have to generate the model for the for the height, for the given height, and we produce the weight. How do the linear regression algorithm works? Basically, linear regression algorithm works with the least square method. Okay, so least square is a statistical method used to determine the best fit line. Okay. We already see that here we see that we have a best fitted line between the data. So least square method is a statistical method used to determine the best fitted line or the regression line by the minimizing the sum square created the mathematical function. Later I show you what is the mathematical function that is used by the this regression method. And the square here refers the squaring the distance between the data point and regression line. The line with minimum value, the sum of the square, is the best fit regression line. And I'm going to here you can see that x is independent variable and y is dependent variable, and I am generating a regression line that is y is equal to mx plus c, and that have a 1 degree, that's why this is linear. And here I show you the simple linear regression method. As you seen that number of iterations means number of steps. After number of steps we find the best fitted model in this one. Okay, next I am going to show you some practical implementation of linear regression method. Okay, so you have to do one thing. You have to install Anaconda. Just type the google.com and navigation screen. So here I am going to working on Jupyter Notebook. I just launched this one and I show you. And this is after launching Jupyter Notebook, you get this screen and you have to click on new. Then you click on Python 3 and you get so machine. I'm going to train you